Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset your Amazon password, and this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. If you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do first is come across to Amazon, and then we just want to go ahead and log into our account. So once we're logged in, what we're going to do is actually hover over our name at the top. It's going to bring like a drop down menu. And from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto your account at the top, which is going to take us to a screen which should look like this. So from here, you've got a few options, and what you want to do is click onto login and security. And you can see this is going to bring up some basic information, things like your email address and phone number. There's also a box, as you can see, which says password. And if you look to the right of that, there's actually a edit button. So all you want to do is click the edit button next to your password. And then it's just going to ask you to input your current password, and then put a new password, and obviously re-enter the new password just to confirm. Once that's done, all you need to do is come down and click the Save Changes button down here, and that's going to go ahead and update your password and reset it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.